Good morning, children. We default teachers are bringing some innovative way of teaching for you. Hope you are enjoying and learning something from it. Today, I am going to teach value education to class 5 children. This is the lesson 1, gratefulness. This is the story. Little Hedgehog was making his bed when a storm began to blow. It blew and blew and blew away his bed. Here, a little hedgehog was trying to make his bed. Hedgehog means you can find here a small animal. But the bed was blown away by the strong wind. I shall go to my friend Little Mole's house till this wind stop, said Little Hedgehog. Then he thought of going to his friend's house until the wind stopped. Little Hedgehog made his way to his friend's house. On the way, he came across a cold family of mice. Little Hedgehog was a kind soul. He moved his warm woolly hat and gave it to the mice. As he was a kind hearted animal, he gave away his woolly hat to the mice who were suffering from cold. You can see soul means a spiritual part of human body. You can see here kind hearted. Here, use my hat as a nest. When he moved on a little further, he met an otter with cold paws. He told to the mice that you can use my hat as a nest. When he moved on after saying this to the mice, he met another animal, that is otter. Otter are also a kind of animals who loves to eat fish. He was also suffering from cold. Here, take my mitten. Hedgehog told the otter to take his mitten. Mitten, you can see here, gloves. Mitten means gloves. The otter quickly grabbed the mitten and looked gratefully at the hedgehog. With paws warmed by mitten, he moved at hedgehog as he walked ahead. You can see otter meaning here aquatic fish eating animal. Grabbed, to catch, grabbed means grateful means thankful. Otter was thankful by seeing the behavior of hedgehog, who gave away his gloves in that cold to protect him from extreme cold. Now, further on the way, the hedgehog met a mama deer and her baby. He was saddened to see the little fawn shivering as the cold wind blew harder and harder. Saddened means you can see here meaning make unhappy. The mama deer was unhappy because her daughter was suffering from cold and she had nothing to save her from that cold. Next, the hedgehog, he quickly removed his scarf and gave it to her. Hedgehog opened her scarf and gave it to the mama deer to cover his fawn. By the time Hedgehog reached Mole house, he was very cold. He had also caught a chill. The mole looked after his friend and chided him for giving away all his warm clothes and putting his own health at risk. When he reached to the mole's house, the mole, seeing the condition of Hedgehog, scolded him, cheated here you can see scold, scolded him for giving away all his clothes in that extreme cold and putting his own health in risk. Next day, little Hedgehog felt better. He decided to inspect the damage to his old home. Next day, when Hedgehog was feeling better, he thought of going to his own home. Inspect. You can see here. Careful examination means he went to check how was the condition of his old house. Along with the mole, he returned to where his nest used to be. He knew that he would have to build a new one as the blustery weather would have destroyed his old home. He was sure that the strong wind blew last evening would have destroyed his house, and he has to make his house once again from very beginning. Blustery, you can see here, blustery, strong wind. Blustery means strong wind. But when he got there, he was surprised. In place of his old home, there was a new nest and a set of new woolen clothes. It had been built by the animals the little Hedgehog had helped the previous night. When he reached to his old home, he found there was a new home, or you can say nest, made by the animals whom last evening he had helped from that extreme cold weather. They had also kept a woolen cloth for him. The animal came out from their hiding place and yelled surprised. They thanked little Hedgehog once more. When he reached there, the animals came out from their houses and thanked him the way he helped them last evening from that extreme cold weather. The mole nodded his approval. Approval, you can see, acceptable means the mole, his friend who scolded him last night for giving away his clothes to other, also accepted that no, he had done, or his friend had done a good job by helping others. That day he too learnt a lesson in gratitude from his big hearted friend little Hedgehog. Gratitude, thankful. The mole also learned a lesson that we should help others. We should be thankful to those who help you or in your bedtime. So children, this is all about the story of a hedgehog who helped others in the time of their need. Do you find interesting this story, children? Yes, I think so you loved this story. Thank you.